Samsung has initiated the rollout of the September 2023 security update for its latest foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. Additionally, earlier today, this security update was extended to other foldable models in Europe, including the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy Z Flip 4, Galaxy Z Fold 3, and Galaxy Z Fold 4. For the Galaxy Z Flip 5, this update introduces firmware version F731XU1AUI3, while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 receives it with firmware version F946XU1AUI3. This update is accessible in most European countries and includes the September 2023 security patch, addressing more than 60 security vulnerabilities identified in the previous firmware. The update weighs approximately 400 megabytes. For users in Europe with a Galaxy Z Flip 5 or Galaxy Z Fold 5, you can check for this update by navigating to Settings Software Update and selecting Download and Install. Alternatively, you can manually download the new firmware file from the firmware database and flash it. It's important to note that this marks the first software update for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 in certain regions, considering they were only launched a month ago. At their debut, these devices came equipped with Android 13-based One UI 5.1.1. Samsung is expected to provide an update to Android 14-based One UI 6 before the end of this year. In summary, Samsung has commenced the distribution of the September 2023 security update for its latest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5, with additional models receiving the update in Europe. This update includes the September 2023 security patch, addressing numerous security vulnerabilities. Users in Europe can check for the update via their device settings or manually install it using firmware files. These foldable phones, introduced just a month ago, are slated to receive further updates, including an upgrade to Android 14-based One UI 6 by year-end.